in this kind of stream, now Wedelia's infestation has started lightly, and then this is one of the Eriocolon. So these plant communities, there on the side also you can see over there, they all will get smothered by that Wedelia once the infestation happens. And then you have to use one thorn to get rid of another thorn. So in my observation, I found that this Colocasia is one of the best plant for preserving this stream bed health, particularly if it's got it's a dying or it's dead and they are trying to revive it. These Colocasia, they are a native plant and they do well in this riverine stream sides and all. And they are also capable of sucking up lot of pollutants and all from the water. So, and very hardy also. They don't die easily. So this one can be planted on the edges of the streams. It will serve three purposes. One is it will control the spread of that one invasive species, that is that Wedelia, this one. So that species spread it will control. Then because it's a lower height item, this becomes much bigger. Then second, it's a native plant and it traps the sediments and then cleans up the filthiness in the water and all by sucking it up. And third is, eventually when the stream hopefully comes back to life, it will recede a bit and then all these can be reintroduced. Moreover, this Colocasia is easy to get rid of. You can just get if it becomes a nuisance somewhere, it's not a difficult item to get rid of, and moreover it's edible also. So this is one idea for stream restoration, stream health restoration.